Horwitz of Average Joe Options joins us now. He is better known as Bub. I like to call him Bubba. He's known by that name as well. Good to see you there, Todd.
Hi, Angie. How you doing?
Great, Bubba. Let's take a look at the charts today. What do you see in the S&P 500? Are we stuck in a range, or are we looking at a breakout here?
I think we're stuck pretty much in a range. I think if you look probably 20-30 to the upside and a 1975 downside, and I think we'll probably trade that range for the next couple of weeks. Of course, you know, we've got the jobs number tomorrow, so we'll see how that trades out. But I think that's a pretty solid range for right now.
And when you're looking at that as a trader, what is your play on the S&P?
You know, as a trader, my play is to look to sell up at 2030 and then look to buy back or cover and maybe get long at 1975, because as a trader, you want to always be with the shorter term trend, because we're not investing, we're just trading, whether you're trading on 5 minutes or 20 minutes, whatever time frame you're using, that's the period you want to use and the levels of support and resistance you want to use.
What other stocks or commodities or even the treasuries are places where you see decent trades forming?
You know, I think there's going to be probably a pretty decent trade setting up in gold here soon. Treasuries are a little bit challenged here. They're too much affected by news right now. I think those will be setting up. I think oil is probably setting up for a real good trade, though, because I think you want to still look for oil to work its way lower. And I think somewhere 82 to 84 on a rally back in oil would be a great place to short oil again.
Are there any stock names you would want to buy or sell?
You know, I think that I want to look at selling Apple here. Now, I like Apple, and I like the way the chart looks. I think it's become just a little bit frothy. I think I'd like to see it pull back and participate back down to about 104. I think that I'd like to be a seller of Amazon somewhere at the 315 level. We can see a rally there. And believe it or not, I would like to sell BABA, B-A-B-A. That's a stock that has been on fire. They had great earnings the other day, and I think that everybody's banking on their Black Friday, which is next week, and I think that it's going to be disappointment. I don't think they're going to make it, so I'd like to be a seller of BABA somewhere around 110.
So Bubba is selling BABA. Good to have you here today.
Thanks for having me. Great to be here.